Good afternoon, students. Now come again to exercise 10.4. Question number 4 says that if a line intersects two concentric circles with center O at A, B, C and D, prove that AB is equal to CD. So figure is here and you can see there are two circles and having same center O. They both are having same center O. This. And there one line is passing from here which is intersecting the circle at both circles at point A, B, C and D, and we need to prove that AB is equal to CD. So for this we will draw a perpendicular from center on this line in this way. So draw perpendicular from the center, this perpendicular. Then after we will take the smaller circle means this circle we are taking firstly, and we can see BC is the chord of this smaller circle. There is C, and this is the center. From O one perpendicular is drawn from O on point BC. OM is the perpendicular, and we know that perpendicular drawn from center bisect the chord, means we can say that BM is equal to CM. So that same thing we are writing here. In smaller circle BM is equal to CM, and reason we'll write that perpendicular, this is sign of perpendicular, this is the sign of perpendicular. So I have written in short that perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. Now in the same way take the bigger circle. In the bigger circle AD is the, this is the bigger circle, and AD is the chord of the bigger circle. Same here, this perpendicular is drawn on AD and bisecting AD into two equal parts as AM and MD. There are two parts, AM and MD. So AM is equal to MD. Same reason, perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. This is the equation number 2, and it is the equation number first when we wrote BM equal to CM. Now subtract equation 1 from equation number 2. Firstly we write the equation number 2, then we write the equation number 1, then we will do the subtraction. So AM minus BM, AM means this length from this much, and if we are subtracting BM, BM means this, so how much will be left? AB will be left. AB will be left. If we subtract BM from AM, we will get AB, that we have written here. Now see the next one, MD. MD means this length. If we are subtracting CM, CM means this, so what will be left? CD. CD will be left, that we are writing here. So now we have got that AB equal to CD, hence proved. Now come to the question number 5. Three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep and Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So you can see this is a circle where Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, three girls are playing on this circle. This is Reshma, this is Salma, this is Mandeep. And the distance between Reshma and Salma is 6 meter, and Salma and Mandeep is again 6 meter, and the radius of the circle is given 5 meter. So we need to find the distance between Reshma and Mandeep, means we need to find RM, and the radius is given, so we are drawing the radius OR, which is of 5 meter, OM is also a radius of 5 meter, and we shall also join OS. OS is also a radius of the given circle. So in this way we will do the construction. Firstly we shall join these things according to the question which is given. You will write the given part by yourself as OR is equal to 5 and RS, whatever is given you will write. And one construction we will do. In this way you will join these points, and construction we will do, and we'll write here as OP is perpendicular. We are drawing a OP which is perpendicular on RS. You can see this OP which is perpendicular on RS in this way. So now we are taking triangle OPR. This is triangle OPR. In this triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, so we know that you will write that by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem. Now which is the hypotenuse in this triangle? This is the hypotenuse, it is OR. So we are writing OR, and then base and perpendicular are OP and PR. OP and PR are the base and perpendicular. You will write these, and we know that this is RP is a chord and O is the center. From center we drew a perpendicular on chord, so that perpendicular will bisect the chord into two equal parts. Means we can say that RP is equal to PS. So we know that the distance between Reshma and Salma, it was given 6 meter. So RP will be 3 and PS will be also 3 meter. You will write all these in meter. I have written by mistake in centimeters. You will write meter. Now OR is given, it is radius 5, so we are writing 5. In place of OP we don't know, we are going to find, so write OP as it is. Now in place of PR we have got it as 3 meter, so write 3 here. Then after 5 square will be 25, 3 square will be 9, transpose 9 towards left hand side, and 25 minus 9 will be 16. We have got that OP square is 16. Now we are removing this square from here, from OP, so square root will come. Now 16, we will find the square root of 16. So we know that 16 square root, how to find the, it is 4 into 4. Make pair and 4 will come out, and answer will be 4 meter, not centimeter, write meter. Now we have got OP is 4 meter, not centimeter, right here meter. So now we are taking triangle ORS, means this triangle ORS. So in this triangle we are finding the area of this triangle. What is the area of triangle? 1/2 base into height. This is the formula for finding area of triangle. So here base is, you can see this is the triangle ORS. In this way it is drawn. This is the perpendicular. So this is R, S, and this is O. When we find the area, so what is the area? 1/2 base into height. Here base is RS. Base is how much? Base is what? RS, and height we are taking, this is OP. This is OP. OP is the height. So we are taking 1/2 RS into OP. And see, this shape is also of kite. This is kite shape. Kite is also a quadrilateral. You know that. We know that kite is a quadrilateral in which diagonals of kite bisect each other, not bisect each other, diagonals of kite intersect each other at 90 degree, means they are 90 degree angle they make. When they intersect, 90 degree angle is there. So this angle is of 90 degree, means this angle is of 90 degree, this angle. So the same triangle, here the same triangle is there. This is the perpendicular and this is also the perpendicular. So we can say, if we take RS as the base, so perpendicular will be OP. Okay, and if we are taking this OS, we also can take OS as base, so perpendicular will be RQ. This is R and this is Q. So if we take this as base, so this will be the perpendicular. So same, and area will be the same. If we take this as base or this will be the base, area will be same. So we are taking here, first we are finding area in both the ways. Okay, so RS as base and OP is perpendicular. Perpendicular means height, and now we are taking SQ, OS as base and height as RQ. In this way, now we will put the value of RS. RS we know that it is of 6 meter, so we will write here 6. OP we have already found OP, it is 4, so we are writing 4 meter. Now OS means this is the radius of the circle, so we will write 5. And RQ we don't know how much is RQ, so we will write RQ as it is. Okay, now 1 by 2 will be cancelled from both hand side, and 6 by 4 is left. 6 by 4 and this 5 will come down towards left hand side, and RQ will be equal to 6 into 4 will be 24. 24 by 5 means 4.8 meter. The length of RQ we have got, it is 4.8 meter. So RQ is 4.8 meter. RQ means this length. And we can also say that RQ is equal to QM. How we can say that RQ is equal to QM? Because one of the diagonal of kite bisect the other. In a kite, you can see, you know the shape of kite, it is like this. These are the two diagonals of the kite I am drawing, and they intersect each other at 90 degree. Okay, and second thing is that one diagonal bisect the other, means this diagonal is bisecting this diagonal. These two parts are equal, but can we say these two parts are equal? This and this, are these equal? No, these are not equal. You can see the on the top it is smaller and at the bottom it is bigger. These two parts are not equal, so only one diagonal bisect other, not both diagonal do not bisect each other. In a kite, only one diagonal bisect other, means this diagonal is bisecting the other one, means this diagonal, and these two parts are equal. So we can reason is written here, and we can say RQ is equal to QM. If RQ is equal to 4.8 meter, so QM will also equal to 4.8 meter, because these both are equal. So we were finding the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. So Reshma Mandeep distance means RM. So RM is equal to RQ plus QM. So we have already found RQ and QM 4.8 meter. So we will write here 4.8 meter plus 4.8 meter, that will be equal to 9.6 meter. This is our required answer. Now next question number 6 says that a circular park of radius to 20 meter is situated in a colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. So this is a circular park where 3 boys, Ankur, Syed and David, are sitting, and the distance between all 3 boys, distance between each is equal, it is given, and the radius of the park is given 20 meter, means this radius is of 20 meter. and they all have a toy telephone to talk with each other. We need to find the length of the string. Length of the string means distance between them. This is the AS, SD and AD. These are equal to each other. It is given these are sitting at equal distance. So firstly write the given, what is given. Radius is 20 meter and AS is equal to SD equal to AD. And we will draw a median on this median of this triangle. This is the median, and we know that median of in on sides SD it is, and it will divide SD into two equal parts. This, in this way we can give name here also. This name we are giving B because this is A, so we are writing it as B. So this is a median AB, and this SD is divided into now two equal parts, SB and BD. And what we need to find? We need to find the length of AS, SD and AD. Means we need to find the length of each string. And it is given these all three strings are equal. The distance between these boys are equal. Now see AS is this. It is given that AS, we are taking two sides of this triangle, AS and SD. It is given equal. It is given equal, so we are taking AS and SD equal. It is given. Now SD, in place of SD, can we write SB plus BD? In place of SD means this whole, can we write SB plus BD? So we are writing SB plus BD. Now we know that SB and BD both are equal, so we, in place of BD also we are writing in place of BD also we are writing SB. Why we are writing? Because we know that SB and BD are equal, so in place of BD also we are writing SB. SB is written as SB and BD is also written as SB. So SB plus SB will be 2SB. It is 2SB. Now SB is equal to, this 2 will come left hand side as the divisor, so it will be equal to AS by 2. AS by 2. So we can write here, or SB is equal to AS by 2. Means SB, the length of SB is half of AS. The length of SB is half of AS. This is our equation number 1. In equilateral triangle ASD, we know that all three sides are equal. The distance between each boy is equal. Means this is an equilateral triangle. All three sides are equal. So, and this is a median of this triangle, which is passing through the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. Means this is the ortho center of this. So this will divide this into the ratio of 2:1. This ortho center will divide this in the ratio of 2:1. It is not showing because figure is not drawn properly. It is drawn freehand. It will divide this into the ratio of 2:1. 2:1. Now we are writing OA by OB is equal to 2:1 or 2/1. It is written here in this way. Now we are doing the cross multiplication. Means OB multiply by 2, it will be 2OB, and OA multiply by 1, so it will be OA only. Okay, OA is equal to 2OB. The length of OA, we know that by how? Because we know that OA is the radius of the circle, and radius of the circle is given 20 meter. So in place of OA we are writing 20, and it is written as it is. Now OB is equal to, this 2 will come towards left hand side as divisor, means 20 by 2. OB is equal to 20 by 2, means OB is equal to 10 meter. How much it is? 10 meter. We have got OB is equal to 10 meter. Now we are finding AB. The length of AB will be how much? It will be equal to OA plus OB. So we are writing here same thing, OA plus OB. OA is given because it is the radius of the circle, and OB we have already got just before, it is 10 meter. So 20 plus 10 is 30. So we have got that AB is of 30 meter. The length of AB we have got, it is 30 meter, means this is of 30 meter. Now take triangle ASB, means this triangle, it is right triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem we can say that AS square means hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So AS square will be as it is AS square. We don't know the length of AS, and SB, in the first equation we wrote that SB is equal to AS by 2. So same thing we are writing here, AS by 2. You may write from equation first. You can write here from equation first. Now in place of AB we shall write 30. 30 we have got here, so we will write here 30. So AS square is equal to AS square by 2 square will be 4. So we are writing here 4, and 30 square will be 900. Now we shall add this AS square by 4, this is S, and there is plus and there is 900 we are adding, and this is as fraction. So we will take the LCM. LCM will be 4 because means here denominator is 1, that's why. Now 4 how many times is 4? 1 time. So 1 into S square will be AS square, as it is here denominator is 1. So 1 how many times is this 4? 4 times. So 4 multiplied by 900, it will be 3600. It is 3600. So answer will be AS square plus 3600 upon 4. It is written same AS square. Here this AS square is written as it is. On the right hand side we were finding, so this is the same answer as we got here, AS square plus 3600 by 4. Now this 4 will come towards left hand side and multiply by this AS square. So it will be 4 AS square is equal to AS square plus 3600. Now this AS square will go towards left hand side. This 4 AS square, 1 minute, 4 AS square minus AS square means this, it is 1 AS square. Nothing is written, number is not written, means it is 1. 4 AS square minus AS square means 3 AS square. Now this 3 will come towards right hand side as divisor. So AS square is equal to 3600 by 3. So we will divide now. 3 1 time, here 3 1 time, 3 2 times, and 0 0. So it will be equal to 1200. So AS square is equal to 1200 that we have got. Now AS square is equal to 1200. So now we will find the value of AS. AS is equal to square root 1200. Now we will find the square root of 1200. How to find? By prime factorization method you may find the square root of 1200, and we will get this as prime factorization. And after this make pairs. You know how to make pairs. This one pair of 2 2, this is also pair, and this is also pair of 5 5. Only 3 is left alone. So these pairs will come outside, as this pair will come as single 2. This pair is also come as single 2. This 5 pair of 5 will also come as single 5 as outside this root, square root. Now only 3 is left inside. Now we'll do the multiply. So 2 into 2 into 5 will be equal to 2 into 2 into 5 will be equal to 20. Now root 2. So this is the length of AS 20 root 3 meter. And we know that the length of AS, SD and AD are equal to each other. So all will be equal to 20 root 3 meter. This is our required answer.